Everyone is aware that getting a new medical device to the market isn't easy. Having been associated with so many medical device companies, being a part of their go-to-market journey and seeing the different challenges they deal with, what have you seen as the two biggest challenges?
Sure. I'd say the two biggest challenge is going to be, first one is inept planning. The second is utilizing senior level personnel for both execution and advisory work. Now, first talking about the inept planning. A lot of medical device companies are not aware of the breadth of testing that they would have to undergo, especially clinical. And that type of test requirements are not included in their overall project plan. So there need to be very robust evaluation of the product and its key performances and essential characteristics, primary technological characteristics, to be able to come up with the final list of tests that need to be done. And this needs to be very thorough. Other than that, one needs to evaluate the manufacturing feasibility, undergo process validation, and so on, and have a very good project plan in place. Of course, it's very important at the same time to have a project manager who would take the ownership of running the project plan and ensure all the key stakeholders are on the same page. And then this would allow the company to get the best return on investment. Now, talking about the second problem, where senior people are utilized for both execution and advisory work, this certainly overall slows down the entire process. And as a result, there can be delays in the submission process to the regulatory body, or there can be delays in the overall preparation of other information that would go into the submission or correspondence during the review of the regulatory application. So all of that can become a problem if one single person is handling the entire process of regulatory review and approval. So it's important to have an in-house or outsourced advisory level person, but also supplement them with FTE type of people, full-time equivalent execution-focused people. And this would ultimately result in a good balance for cost, turnaround time, and quality, ultimately addressing the two major issues that we've seen so far.
Thanks, Pearl. It's really good to see all the years of experience that you guys have had to identify some of these issues. I'm sure we've all learned something today from what you've just gone through. Alexis has served as a regulatory project manager for companies, reminding the key stakeholders of upcoming events, closely observing the effect of individual slip-offs on the overall timeline, and flagging dependencies as they arise. Alexis's FTE in full-time or part-time capacity have assisted managers or directors or advisors of medical device companies in getting things done in a short space of time. We're only an email away. Please reach out to jennifer@alexis.com for any questions, comments, or if you need any support, we're happy to help. Thanks so much for your time.
Thank you.